Amsoil Synthetic V-Twin Motorcycle Oil, high-performance lubricant for engines, transmissions, and primary chain cases. Amsoil Synthetic V-Twin Motorcycle Oil is a premium oil designed for those who demand the best protection for their motorcycles. It is the result of extensive research and is specially formulated to excel in all areas unique to motorcycles, including the high temperatures of air-cooled engines such as Harley-Davidson V-Twins, wet clutch lubrication, extreme pressure regions of gears and chains, and rust common to short trips and storage. Amsoil Synthetic V-Twin Oil is multifunctional and fulfills the requirements of both domestic and foreign motorcycles. Reduces wear and deposits. Big, powerful V-twin engines run extremely hot, especially in summer during stop-and-go rally or parade traffic. High heat breaks down oil formulated for standard service, inviting wear and performance-robbing deposits. Amsoil Synthetic V-Twin Motorcycle Oil is formulated with naturally heat-resistant synthetic base oils that resist oxidation in extreme heat. It contains a heavy treatment of anti-wear additives to reduce wear regardless of operating conditions. Protects transmissions and primaries. Amsoil V-Twin Oil delivers exceptional protection in transmissions and primary chain cases. It is shear stable and resists thinning from mechanical activity. Amsoil Synthetic V-Twin Motorcycle Oil performs like a gear lube without the negative effects of the extreme pressure additives. It resists breakdown 6 times better than Harley-Davidson SYN3 for improved protection against compensator and transmission gear wear. Amsoil Synthetic V-Twin Motorcycle Oil Kit combines everything needed to perform an Amsoil oil change on most Harley-Davidson motorcycles in one convenient package. The kit includes 4 quarts of Amsoil 20W-50 Synthetic V-Twin Motorcycle Oil, 1 chrome Amsoil motorcycle oil filter, and 1 drain plug O-ring. Join the millions of proud Amsoil users to experience the difference and get your Amsoil Synthetic V-Twin Motorcycle Oil Kit today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.